And I'm so tired, I want to make the video. I'm so happy actually, anyway. You know, it's so tempting. Look here, Facebook messages to explore and chat with people. Look at these guys, can you believe these guys? Yeah, so I put some Tim Minchin in and I'll just sit on Facebook, chat with my friends, etc. I think so, and I'll make the other video I have to, but I have more time for that. Yeah, this is not a vlog of the kind I want to be making, but still I prefer to make something than not to, because it's the Veda, huh? So as I very often do, when I'm not satisfied with my video, I want to compensate giving you some links in the description for other amazing videos, and you can check them probably. Like, I have no idea what I'm gonna put. Probably some Vsauce. Yeah, Vsauce would be good. But just watch it like from the beginning to the end, because it's worth it. Have a nice day, whatever. I mean, these videos will probably be watched way later than I'm posting them, you know, from people that will come later in my channel. But have a nice day anywhere. Anyway, I'm stuck there. Yeah.